In manufacturing companies, the purchase of products usually amounts to more than 50% of turnover. By comparing prices in purchasing and selecting the cheapest supplier, high savings potential mostly goes unnoticed. In addition, quotes from suppliers do not usually provide sufficient cost transparency. Product development is where subsequent product manufacturing costs arise. It's good if these are known during all stages of development. This makes it easier to meet targets. In addition, in controlling, you now need to understand your own competitiveness relative to the market. At costdata, we provide the power tool to address all these issues. Our user-friendly software solution, costdata calculation, has a modular structure and uses an overhead cost calculation to simulate and calculate product costs. Its integrated databases contain over 25 million constantly updated market datasets from over 4,100 national regions. This means that product prices can be calculated for almost all regions of the world. This combination of calculation and market data provides maximum speed, maximum flexibility, and maximum transparency. In addition, costdata calculation has a wide range of modules, such as a 3D and 2D import, technology-based cycle time calculator, a cost driver analysis, a profit contribution calculator, a competitor analysis, a tool cost calculator, and other analysis tools. These enable you to efficiently save costs while manufacturing products at competitive prices for the long term. Contact us to find out more about your options with costdata calculation.